What's fam? Welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl here, Promise, and your girl here, Love It. Welcome back again to another vlog. So guys, today we are in shopping mall right now. I told you guys I wanted to get Owen's things for his school because he will be starting school very soon. So we are here to get Owen's things. Like, I came here with my friend, you can see her. Say
hello.
So she's the mother of the cute baby boy you normally see me with on my vlog. Take Owen. So here we are today to like shop together, and she's going to be my camera woman today. She's the one going to be holding the camera for me to vlog today. So guys, without wasting your time, let's just go where we are going. Okay, let me show you guys the environment first. I'll show this in my vlog before. Yeah, it's also beautiful. So we are at the mall again. So I just prefer to shop here because there are a lot of stores here. There are a lot of stores to shop here, better than the other side. So guys, let's go. I'm going to Primark, but I will branch in other stores to check for what I'm going to get, but right now I'm going to Primark. So let's go guys. And here with us we have Owen. Say hello. Owen. Okay, we have our baby boy here, and Owen is here with us.
Left me sitting here on my own, set free but don't want me to know. Kiss me and goodbye, goodbye. Though I loved you, gave you my life, hope I'm healing in time, need to end this fight. I'll miss the time with you in my zone, I need to go on my own. Don't you know that I don't need you to stay, all I need are my ways, memories of you right on my mind. Can't you feel my heart break? Let me go, it might take time for me to calm down, 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 down. I don't need you to stay, all I need are my ways, memories of you right on my mind. Can't you?
Okay. What's that? How much? 40 euro.
Yeah, I even know one size 27.
Time for me to calm down, 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 down. I don't need you to stay, all I need are my ways, memories of you right on my mind. Can't you feel my heart break? Let me go, it might take time for me to calm down, 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 down. I don't need you to stay. I don't need you. I don't need you to stay. I don't need you. I don't need you to stay. All I need are my ways, memories of you right on my mind. Can't you feel my heart break? Let me go, it might take time for me to calm down, 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 down. I don't need you to stay.
My stomach is screaming, familiar feeling, I've been here before. I should be leaving, cause you make me need it, and I'll crave you more. Yeah, cause I can see a pattern, you're like a dirty habit, I always run back to you. I'm on my worst behavior, but babe I know it better than to cry over you. I'm so I bet you're falling, not falling, not falling. There's no way I bet it's a warning, I'm warning you. I'm on cloud nine and I'm just floating, I'm floating, I'm floating, just to feel something with you. But I can't do this again, I can't do this again and again and again. I can't do this again, I can't do this again and again and again. I can't do this again. Get drunk and you're calling, I'm right where you want me, you know what to say. Yeah. 1 minute I'm flying, the next I'm crying, yet I still wanna stay. Yeah, you got so.
Oh well. not afraid of dogs, huh? Yeah? Guys, we are still doing shopping. We are in H&M. We have walked a lot of stores today. A lot of stores. We are still in H&M right now. So I'm hungry. We are hungry. In fact, all of us are hungry. So we'll soon look for somewhere to just sit and relax and take something, because it's almost it's past 7 p.m. right now.
No me abraza el calor que sentí al salir de casa, gotas calan el interior.
So guys, we are still in farm. We haven't go home yet, but we are about to leave now. Like, we have spent a lot of time here walking around. I think it's almost 9 p.m. now. We have really walked a lot today. Like, this one is a lot of exercise, and we also bought a lot, so I'll be seeing you guys when we get home. We got some things which we are going to be eating. I got sandwich, so right now we are going to be eating because we are hungry, very hungry, very tired. So guys, I'll see you guys when we get home. Okay, I'll see you guys later.
Baby, I go take care of you personally. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? All your problems are no say solution ahead. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Yeah. Mama born you, your mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. I want to hold you, girl. I love you, girl. I wanna love you well. Yeah. Know you fell in love, and nobody caught you. And I got to your body, oh, my baby, see, got me hot down, oh. Your body, oh, now you wake go chop on my money, oh. I like your body, oh, my baby, see, got me hot, oh. Your body, oh, now you wake go chop on my money, oh. Baby, I go stick with you like bamboo.
Guys, since I came back from that shopping, which is on Friday, I went to shopping on Friday, and today is Sunday. I haven't picked up my camera. I haven't shown you guys what I got from the shopping. Yeah, I went to shop for Owen stuff. Most of the things, yeah, everything I got, in fact, okay, let me say most of the things I got are for Owen. I didn't get anything for myself actually, but in this vlog I'm going to be unboxing with you guys what I got from Primark. Yeah, I think I also got some things from other stores, not only Primark, but Primark is where we got a lot of things. So in this vlog I'm going to be unboxing everything I got. So guys, welcome back again. I said let me unbox these things with you guys before laziness will take over me again, because that was what happened to me since yesterday. I haven't just been like in the mood to pick up my camera, so today is Sunday again. I have to like do this with you guys. So here is what I got. You see, when I was taking this bag upstairs, it got tall because I carried Owen that day. I think he was sleeping now. Yeah, I think he was sleeping. I carried him. I carried the things I got. I carried stroller because it was too heavy for me, and this bag got tall. So that is it, guys. Let me be showing you what I got one after the other. Let me start with the Primark. I don't know why I got this jacket. This jacket is for Owen. I just like the color, so I thought maybe I will just look for trouser for him to wear it. Maybe you can use it to snap, I don't know, but I just like the color. That's why I just got it. So I got this one for €6. This for €6 in Primark. So I got this as well. These joggers, I think it's joggers, right? I got 2 of it for Owen. I got 2 of it because the cold will soon be starting, so I think that I got are for cold. So I got these two. These two, one each is €6. Yeah, €6 for each of them. So got this. I got this. It's very affordable in Primark. I think it's €2.50. So I think I got about three of it or two, I don't know. But these two, yeah, I got these two. Let me check if there's more. I can't remember how many I got from it. The boat is €5 in Primark as well. I got this in Primark. Yeah, this jacket. Owen has jackets before though, but it's the one he used last year. I believe it will still size him, but I still got another one for him. So I got this one €23, and I got this shoe for him as well. This shoe I love it so much. I like it a lot. I got it for him, for Owen. So I got this €14 for Owen in Primark as well. You can see it's so nice, so beautiful. I got this for my baby boy in Nigeria. So guys, I got this for €2.50. Both are €5, so this one is going straight to Nigeria. I got school bag for our students. I just bought this small one because he's not going to be putting anything in it for now. It's just a preschool. Yeah, what they are going to be taking to school is like maybe like pampers also. So for now they are not taking anything big to school. So I got this for €6, €5.95. This boat, because they personally asked for this in school. This was among the list they gave me, because they actually gave me list of things that he will be needing in school. They asked me to buy socks, this kind of socks that have this kind of things at the bottom, you can see. Yeah, they asked for this kind of socks specially, so I just decided to get 2 of it. So it's going to Nigeria as well for my baby boy in Nigeria. I got this shoe as well that will go well with it. You see, it will go well with this shirt. So this shirt to go well with it, and I got this shoe. I got this shoe for €17. This shoe, so beautiful, so cute. Yeah. Okay, this is trouser, and this trouser is for Owen. So I got this. It's 4 to 5 years. Normally if I'm getting Owen things, I normally get bigger size because Owen is growing every day and he's getting fat every day. If it's too long, I'll fold it for him. My husband said that I'm buying like his mother. His mother will say okay for that to grow. I got the towel. So this towel, they asked for it in Owen's school for them to be changing them. So for them to be changing their diapers. So I got new one. Guys, I got 3 of that shirt for Owen. This is the 3rd one. This is the 3rd one for him. So it's going to Nigeria as well for my baby boy. This is a shorts. I got this in H&M, and this cost €7, €6.99. Go tell your mommy make buy things for you. Am I your mommy?
You're my mommy. Mommy.
Who is your mommy?
You're my mommy.
I'm not your mommy.
Venus, you're the one cooking for me now.
Go and meet your mommy to buy you things, okay? So I got this in Primark. This is earpiece. I don't have earpiece. Sometimes I do edit with my phone. Yeah, I edit with my phone. So sometimes if I'm editing, I normally edit at night. So if Owen is sleeping, it will kind of be disturbing him. So I just got earpiece to be helping me for the job. So that is it, guys. Guys, that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Okay, for now, bye, stay blessed, bye bye.
Mama born you, your mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. I want to hold you, girl, I love you.